Got the 2017 Lexus GSF. It's got the monster V8. We slapped a Meisterschaft system on this a couple years ago. Customer complained about some crazy noises he's hearing, so it shouldn't be sounding like that with a $4,000 exhaust. He might be going 150 miles an hour everywhere he's going, might have hit a tire on the highway, might have hit a speed bump. We're gonna put it up, we're gonna inspect the system, see what we can find, guys. So just a quick overview, nothing looks damaged. He doesn't look like he hit anything major. He's got this little reflector light came out a little bit, no big deal. The exhaust looks fine. As you can see, the Meisterschaft tips still looking fly. We're looking at it, I don't really see any issues as of right now. Let's crank it, let's see if we hear anything. So definitely an issue there, guys. I don't know if you heard it, but it's got this weird fluttering noise that's not supposed to be there, guys. Do you guys hear that? Yeah, that fluttering's no good. This is a $4,000 exhaust by GT Meisterschaft. This thing's supposed to sound like a tank 24/7. Not supposed to have any of these weird flutters. So let's rack it up. Let's see what we can find. I did kind of find the issue already. Everything looks good out the back. The flanges are still connected. X-pipe looks good. You have a couple little baby leaks on these weird connection pipes. It looks like the sensor blew out. So you got an open pipe with a sensor housing that just looked like he just might have smacked it, opened it up, and you can hear exactly where this sound's coming from. So if you guys can get it, I'm gonna get that mic real close. Boom, boom, boom. Sounds like shit. So there's your corporate right there. All right, almost pissed on me, guys. You saw that? So this looks like the issue right here. We're gonna shut it off. We're gonna see what we can do to fix this thing, guys. So what we did is we just bend this back down. We kind of close the gap. And what we're gonna do to minimize the cost on the customer is we're gonna bring it back down and just run a bead around it so it seals it back up. Now hopefully the sensor's not damaged, but once we weld it, we can check it, scan it, and make sure the sensor's still reading positive. I'm gonna have my guys weld it up real quick and get a shot of that so you guys can see exactly what they're doing. And then we check it. We scan it, diagnose it, and see if the sensor's still getting a good reading. We got the sensor pretty much sealed. We're gonna drop it, scan it, like I said, make sure everything's all right. So worst case scenario, we swap out the sensor, problem solved. Meisterschaft system sounding beast again, and it's back to Norman, guys. So I'm scanning it, making sure it's still getting a good reading. Let's see what kind of codes he's got. It looks like the sensor circuit, so that makes sense. Let's clear it out. So no check engine light. No rattle, no buzzing, no hissing, none of that. Problem solved, sounds like. So this system actually stored that code, but no check engine light on the dash. Yeah, so this is still a pending code, but the dashboard has cleared it. So I'm hoping when he drives, it does clear it out from the system itself. We have to drive it, so let's see what we got. So sounds good. I think the problem's solved, no check engine light. I'm gonna have the customer drive it around, make sure everything's smooth, and the check engine light doesn't come back on. But as of right now, I think we solved this problem, guys. So the Meisterschaft system sounding back to a $4,000 kit, and no leaks, no buzzing, no hissing, none of that. Because we don't like that shit over here at G Exhaust. So I think we solved this problem, guys. Sounds sick.